welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist, professional makeup artist, and lover of theatrics. This week I wanted to jump right in with something that I haven't done in a while, and that is a wig review. So I decided to give AliExpress another go. This was also a wig company that I heard another YouTube talking about, and she said she really liked the hair, so I was like, let's give it a go. I actually really love this hair so far. This hair comes from a company called Siyun or Siyun Show. Sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly. It is a 250% density lace front, 30-inch frontal HD transparent body wave lace front human hair wig. Oh my gosh, that was a mouthful. As beautiful as I do think that this hair is, and I really do think that it's gorgeous, you guys can tell she needs a little work. She needs a little styling. So we're gonna go ahead and put in that work, and I'm gonna walk you guys through it step by step. So I really wanna go for big SZA hair today. I really love her curls, I really love her hair, so that's kind of what I'm going for. So I'm gonna give her a little bit of a trim, because you can see the ends are, you know, they're kind of thin, they're a little, look like they've got some split ends going on, so we're gonna chop those off, and I'm gonna go ahead and curl it. Oh, one thing, I did actually go ahead and shampoo and condition this hair previously. It had a bit of a smell from the factory, and I wanted to make sure that it was clean before I put it on. So I did do that, just so you guys know. All right, let's jump into it. Taking my water bottle, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this wig all the way down. I don't want her to be soaking wet, but I do want it to be nice and damp so that when I get ready to cut, it makes it easy for me to do so. For my sectioning, I'm going to go ahead and clip the front two sections out of the way, and I'm mainly going to be focusing on the back for right now. I'm just going to go ahead and comb down the hair, and those straggly bits that I see at the end, I'm just going to take my shears and chop them off. The next thing I'm going to do is make this U-shaped sectioning right at the top of the crown, and I'm going to use this to guide my layers. Now Now this is truly not a precise haircut by any means. I just really want to get some shape into this wig and chop off those nasty ends. So just look at it as kind of a reference, but if you're looking for a very, very precise haircut, this is not the video for that. I can definitely give you that, just let me know if you want to see it. Now you guys can see she's got some more movement, she's got some more bounce, and we got rid of those nasty ends. Next up, we're going to take our styling treatment oil and just put a little bit in our hands and rub that through the wig before we start styling. When blow drying, there are really two main objectives here. One is to kind of get it a little bit straight and get rid of that body wave, and the second is to give it volume. So you'll notice I'm really pushing that brush and the blow dryer up so that we can get some lift in the hair. When it comes to the front, same thing, we're going to push that hair forward so that when we flip it back, we get a lot of lift. Taking this curling iron, I think it's about a 1/2 inch, I'm going to go ahead and start to work my magic. So the main thing is I'm going to alternate between twisting the hair forward and backwards throughout the entire head. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little time consuming for sure, but the end result is so beautiful. Taking my Hold and Control hairspray, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a nice healthy amount all over the wig. Okay, so after the wig install, this is what she's looking like. She's all curled, and I went ahead and did a big side part, and now I'm just left with these bouncy curls. So after you've sprayed it with working spray, make sure you spray it with something. I'm gonna go ahead and just run my fingers through it until I get the texture and the look that I want. I know it's gonna be scary, like breaking up all those curls after you just put them all in. But the thing about curls is they will bounce back and they will take their shape if they've had a chance to set. The more that you play with it, it is going to kind of break them up a little bit, but it's not going to make it lose its shape, if that makes sense. So don't be afraid of really brushing it out, and don't be afraid of like ruining the shape, because you won't. You still will have curl, you still will have bounce. All right guys, I think that's gonna do it for me. I really love this hair. I so love the density. It's nice and full, and it's really beautiful, easy to work with, curled so nicely, it's not shedding. I really enjoyed this hair. I think this company from AliExpress did a really good job. The other company, not so much. So if you guys want to see how I install my wigs, I do have a video and I will leave it linked right here so that you can check out the install. But I figured this video was long enough and I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looks like and give you guys my thoughts. I'd recommend this wig. The only thing that I will say is it did have a strong perm smell. So I did have to wash this baby a few times and condition it before I got rid of that smell. But that's really honestly the only negative I have to say about it. I think it's gorgeous. Love it. Love the volume. Love how it curled. I think it's really beautiful. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I truly appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? And also, if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload videos weekly, and I'd love to see you guys next week. Bye!